Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to show you guys a few ways I like to use the Trake gardening tool from HenFeathers, and later on in this video we will be doing a giveaway, so please stay tuned for that. So this giveaway will be celebrating the 900 mark of subscribers we did. I'm very thankful for everything and for everybody who has pitched into their support towards this channel. So you know who you guys are. I want to thank you all, and so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So guys, the Trake is such an interesting tool because it has a mini shovel and then has a mini rake right here. And so the very first way I like using this tool is to fluffen up the soil. So you're gonna get the rake side and just move the soil, because this soil has been in here for a pretty good amount of time, and so it got a little bit settled. And so we're gonna go ahead and lift it and move it like so, and sort of like making it a little bit more fluffier. And so like that. Pretty easy, not the hardest thing to do, like so. So that's one of the easiest things to do with this gardening Trake. The other thing I like to do is to plant seeds with it. So with the tip of your little tiny shovel, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little tiny row. For example, like this. One right here and another one right there. So we have 3 little tiny rows right here. And so we're gonna go ahead and plant up a few seeds. We have spinach right here. And so we have a few seeds right here, and we're just gonna drop the seeds in like so. And then you're gonna put some on the other row like so. And this is spinach, so it doesn't matter about the spacing. And then you're gonna go ahead and fill it back up with your soil. And then that's one easy way to do mass plantings of seeds with your Trake. So let's go ahead and move on to the other 2 ways I like using this tool. So guys, the third way I like to use this gardening Trake is once again fluffing up the soil, but also to plant a fertilizing stick or a fertilizing spike. So the first thing I like to do is go ahead and just put it where I would like to stick it in, and then sort of make like a cross or something like that. Do little tiny circles, and then you're gonna get the gardening spike right here. This is for shrubs and trees. And then you're gonna go ahead and just press it right in there, and then that's basically it. We just basically went ahead and fluffered up the soil around it so it could have more entrance towards this the root system. It activates with water, and it lasts up to 6 months in here or every season. So I really like these gardening spikes, and so I would highly recommend them. So let's move on to the 4th and final way to use this Trake. So guys, the 4th and final way I like to use this Trake is to plant, of course, plants. So we have a little rose plant right here that I propagated, and so I really like to go ahead and use this as a digging tool, which I actually pretty love because it's easy to use and it's comfortable to go ahead and use. So I really love it. So, and it's pretty easy to use. So we're gonna go ahead and dig that up. And so we have the hole right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and transplant it like so. And then we're gonna use the leftover soil. I'm just gonna fill it back in, press it down, and we are done. So that is basically it. So I showed you guys the 4 ways I like to use this Trake. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the giveaway details. So guys, I showed you guys 4 common ways I like to use the Trake gardening tool. I absolutely love this. I'll be leaving a link down below on the information on this. And so now it's time for the giveaway details. We partnered up with HenFeathers Gardening to do this giveaway, and I'm deciding to do this giveaway now because I would like to celebrate the 900 subscriber mark. This is a huge milestone that I never thought I would get to, but because of the support that everybody has pitched into, it means a lot to me. Now we are at this point, and my dream goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I can't wait for that happens because I have something big planned for you guys. So please stay tuned for that. And so the things you have to do to enter this giveaway is, first, you have to be subscribed to the Ultimate Gardening channel. Second, you have to like this video. Third, you have to comment down below what's your favorite plant. That's basically easy. It could be a shrub, it could be a tree, it could be literally anything you want, but it has to be within the gardening section, and also you have to be subscribed into other things. And so I'm very grateful that HenFeathers Gardening pitched into this giveaway, and so huge shout out to them. Their media links are down below for you guys to check out. This giveaway will end in like about a week and a half, so like I'll go ahead and announce that date on the screen for you guys, and also down below there's more information on that. This is for you as residents only. I repeat, this is for you as residents only, and there's gonna be only one winner. So good luck to everybody, and let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, huge shout out to HenFeathers Gardening for partnering with us on this video / giveaway. I'm very excited, and thank you all for your amazing support and sweet messages. I can't wait to see what we have in store for the future and all the new audience members that will be joining us. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and good luck to everybody, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.